Hello friends, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Notes, Changing the Way of Learning। स्वागत है आप सबका। अब हम बात करने जा रहे सिविल इंजीनियरिंग सब्जेक्ट इरिगेशन इंजीनियरिंग का पार्ट 1 लेके। यहाँ पे मैं इरिगेशन इंजीनियरिंग का थ्योरी डिस्कशन करूँगा। तो चलिए अभी स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ। इरिगेशन इंजीनियरिंग इंट्रोडक्शन। The process of artificially supplying water to soil for raising crops is called irrigation. It is the definition of irrigation. Irrigation is most important part for raising crops. It is practically a science of planning and designing an efficient and economic irrigation system. It includes the engineering of controlling and harnessing the various natural sources of water by the construction of dams, canals, and finally distributing the water to the agricultural fields. Irrigation, agricultural field, dams, canals, ये सब में यूज होता। The irrigation is necessary in an area where is a scantily rainfall and where commercial crops required more water. इरिगेशन वाटर कहाँ पे ज़रूरत पड़ता, जहाँ पे रेनफॉल कम होता, बारिश कम होता, एंड वहाँ पे क्रॉप्स के लिए जहाँ पे वाटर ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़ता। इट इज़ ऑल्सो नेसेसरी वेयर रेनफॉल इज नॉन यूनिफॉर्म एंड वेयर there is a controlled water supply. The irrigation water is said to be unsatisfactory if it contains. It is the very important. The method of irrigation, the agricultural land by lifting water from the available at a lower level is known as lift irrigation. The water for lift irrigation may be drawn from open wells or deep wells. Classification of soil water. When water is spread over the soil either by irrigation or by rainfall, the water is absorbed by the pores of the soil. This water is termed as soil water or soil moisture. Following are the various types of soil water: capillary water, gravitational water, hydroscopic water, etc. Terms used in irrigation. The following terms are generally used in irrigation: saturation capacity, field capacity, permanent wilting point, available moisture, core watering, paleo, root zone depth, overlap allowance, crop ratio, intensity of irrigation, 7.4 points is very important. Base period, delta and duty. It is the very important. कोई भी एग्जाम में यहाँ से न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन हो, एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन हो, यहाँ से ऑल एग्ज़ाम में एक क्वेश्चन आता ही आता। देखिए, बेस पीरियड, डेल्टा एंड ड्यूटी, द होल पीरियड ऑफ कल्टीवेशन फ्रॉम द टाइम when irrigation water is first supplied for preparation for the ground to its last watering before harvesting the crops is called base period. It is slightly less than the crop period. The crop period is defined as the time that crops takes from the instant of its sowing to that of its harvest. The total depth of irrigation water required by a crop during the entire period the crop is in the field is called delta of crop. The ratio between the area of crop irrigated and the quality of water required during its entire period of the growth is known as duty. यहाँ पे बेस पीरियड, डेल्टा एंड ड्यूटी का डेफिनेशन डिस्कशन ऑलरेडी हो चुका। आप वीडियो को पॉज करके देख लीजिए। यहाँ पे वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, यहाँ से न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन बनता। द रिलेशन बिटवीन बेस पीरियड, डेल्टा and duty. Base period, delta and duty. Delta equal to 8.64 B upon D. डेल्टा, ड्यूटी एंड बेस पीरियड का अंदर ये रिलेशन है। डेल्टा बी बेस पीरियड इन डेज, डी ड्यूटी इन हेक्टर्स पर क्यूबिक। So this relation is very important. Delta equal to 8.64, delta equal to 8.64 B upon D. So guys, this is much for today. अगर आप हमारा चैनल पे नया है तो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।